Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to transform your designs? Let's dive into some awesome text effects in Canva. Click the Create button, then select Presentation from the options. For this demonstration, we'll be using the Presentation feature to showcase its functionality. Select your desired template from the available options. For this example, we'll choose this template to demonstrate the process. To add a text effect to this page, start by selecting the section where you want the effect to appear. Click on the text box or create a new one if needed. Next, go to the Effects panel and choose your desired text effect, such as shadow or glow. Apply the effect, then preview your changes to see the animation in action. This is your heading. You can add a background by selecting the background option. To make adjustments, use the editing tools to change colors, size, or style according to your design preferences. Next, adjust the spread to control how much the effect extends. Use the slider or enter a specific value for precise adjustments. Set the transparency by adjusting the slider to your preference. You can also use the outline feature to adjust the thickness of your border. Simply move the thickness slider to your desired width, and choose a lighter color by selecting from the color options available in the palette. You can also apply the same steps to add supplies. Click Add Supplies to include the items you need, then select the color picker to change the color and customize the appearance of your supplies as desired. You can also add animation to your text. Select the text layer, then click the animation option in the toolbar. Choose your preferred animation style from the list to apply dynamic movement to your text. Let's try using the typewriter tool. Click on the typewriter icon, then click anywhere on your document to start entering text with the typewriter feature. You can also add animation to your header. Select the header, click the Animations menu, choose an animation style, and adjust the animation settings as needed. Let's test this feature. Click the speed control, then move the slider to adjust how fast or slow the playback runs. Now, let's watch the presentation. Click the play button to start. Use the left and right arrows to move between slides. Pause any time by clicking the pause button. Continue viewing until the presentation is finished. Next, we'll animate this element. Select the object you want to animate, then open the animation panel. Choose your desired animation effect from the list and adjust the settings to your preference. Preview the animation to see how it looks in action. Apply the action to every car located within this specified area on the map. Try to move the elements from their current position by clicking and dragging them to a new spot. This allows you to rearrange your layout easily. Release the mouse button to drop the element in its new location. Let's view the content by clicking the View tab at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select the desired viewing option. The display will update accordingly, allowing you to see the content exactly as you need for your workflow. After finishing your animation, click the Share button. Next, select Download and choose the MP4 video format. Finally, click the Download button to save your animation as an MP4 file to your computer for later use. Hope you enjoyed learning cool Canva text effects. Give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more creative tips.